Butterfly for a White Guy by Offspring is played in standard tuning with no capo. This song is a fantastic song to practice your power chord shapes because every single chord in the song is played using a power chord shape. For the verse, we're going to start off on this B power chord shape. We've got first finger, 7th fret of the low E, third finger on the 9th fret of the A, and pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. We're going to use this shape, this fingering, for every single chord in the song. Okay, so we start off with the B chord. We're going to strum down, up, go down to the 2nd fret on the low E string. This is an F sharp power chord. Strum down once, up to the 5th fret on the low E string, and strum down once, obviously keeping the shape as it was. So B, F sharp, A. Slowly. We start off with the B again, same rhythm, down, up, then shift the shape down a string set to the 7th fret root here on the A string. This is an E power chord, down, then down 2 frets to a 5, 7 and 7, which is a D power chord, to finish the kind of verse pattern off. Slowly. Okay, so B, E, D, the whole riff. Very last time through the intro part, we'll play the riff as normal, but we're just going to finish with a single strum of the B before we go into like the verse part. So we have B, F sharp, A, B. For the verse, we've got a super simple guitar part. It's a first finger bar across the 7th fret on the B and high E strings. And we're going to hit the note twice, but kill it off immediately after. So we've got like a, and that's it for the verse. Okay, so the chorus part in this song is much trickier than the other parts of the song. We start off in the same way with the B power chord, play twice. Then we're going to go up to the 8th fret on the A, and we're going to play 8, 9, 8, 9. And we're going to repeat that twice. We've got the 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 7. Then we're going to go down to the 5th fret root on the A string, so that D power chord, down, up, and shift the whole shape to the A, so the 5th fret on the low E string, strum that once, then go back to that 5th fret root on the A string. So, okay, so very slowly we've got the B, then the 8, 9, 8, 9, back to the B, 8, 9, 8, 9, then the D shape, 5th fret the A twice, up to the 5th fret on the E, back to the 5th fret on the A, then we're going to go up to 7 on the A, down, up, back to the 5th fret on the A, then back to the A, the 5th fret on the E string. The whole chorus so far, slowly. We then repeat the whole thing again, but we have a different ending. So we start off in exactly the same way with 7, 8, 9, 8, 9. So from this point here, we actually change. We're going to play the D chord again at the 5th fret of the A, up 2 frets to the 7th, so an E chord twice, back down to that D chord at the 5th fret. So 5, 7, 7, 5, and then back up to the E, the 7th fret, then up 1 more fret to the 8th fret, down 1 fret, back to the D chord. So 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5. The whole second time through there, played slowly. The third time through the chorus part there, plays it exactly the same way as the second, so finishing off with this. And then we go to a kind of new part to end the chorus. So up here on the 10th fret of the A string, we're going to play this twice. I'm going to move up to the 10th fret of the low E string, back to the 10th fret of the A. So then we go down to the 5th fret root on the low E string. I'm going to play it down, up, and then off and just hit the root note, the open E string, then hit the chord again with the first finger back down. Okay, so the 10th fret of the A, E, A, then 5th fret, open, and then we've got this little run. Starts off with the B string, strum down twice, then 9th fret on the A, 8, 7, back to the 7th fret on the low E, 5th fret on the A, 7th fret on the A, 7th fret on the low E. So good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Happy practicing and take care.